We are what we eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this word. I was born and raised in Japan. I have never lived in another country, but I studied by myself and I worked for the Swiss company after graduating for 7 years. When I was 29 years old, I worked as a salesperson and I burned out. So I started my business, but it's not what I want to do. I wanted to be like Martha Stewart. Martha Stewart is like a charisma of the housewives. I want to be like that. One of my friends want me to give them a wagashi cooking class in English. I don't have the confidence to give them an English class, but I said yes. Yeah, I would do this. So from that day, I watched the YouTube channel in English for 8 hours a day for a month. So I studied, yeah, I practiced how to speak English. So I thought I can do my own YouTube channel in English about Japanese cooking. So I start. One year, if I continue 1 year, 1,000 subscriber will be, I can gain the 1,000. But first year I gained 10,000 and second year I gained 100,000. So I have reached the silver play button. My first viral video is souffle pancake, a fluffy pancake.
Yeah.
Yes, that is crazy. Right now 2.8 million views. And the second one is the Japanese breakfast, the traditional Japanese breakfast. Hot steamed rice and miso soup and tamagoyaki, the Japanese omelette, and otsukemono, pickles. That's the second best. The third best is onigiri, rice ball. 8 different kind of onigiri. In that video, I start with the washing the hand very thoroughly. So some subscribers said she predict the COVID-19. That's not like that. That the Japanese people usually do before making the onigiri. Food is the key to our health. I believe we have a strong immunity because of the food. I have never get sick for more than 20 years. My philosophy for cooking, I want to eat the real food, the ingredients, the natural product. Processed food is not the real food. So I want the food very close to the natural product. Natural and delicious. It should be delicious, yes, and it should be satisfying, and it should be warm up your body and feel your feelings about the food. So food should be relaxing. We are what we eat. I like this word.